Morning students, welcome back to social studies. Yes, what all we studied at previous class? We studied about changes of state, right? What is that? From water to steam, steam to water. Ice to water, water to steam, from steam to water, water to ice. It is nothing but the changing observation from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, gas to again it converted into liquid, again from liquid we can convert it into solid, right? Those changes of state we got through know at previous class, right? Now we'll see. Everybody open a page number 21 in that physical and chemical changes. What can we can see? What all we can see? Physical and chemical changes. Yes, we'll see now. Everybody open a page number 22. In that we'll see observation of reversible and irreversible changes. Okay, now what we can see in physical and chemical changes? We can see reversible and irreversible changes. How we can see reversible changes? We'll see now. Mix a small quantity of each of those solids with water, observe what happened and complete the chart. Yes, now we'll see observation. See, salt, sugar, sand, chalk powder, gravel and baking powder. Yes, first we'll see. I'll show one example. Okay, this is salt, right? Yes, see what I did. I took one glass of water. What I took? One glass of water. And what is this? This is salt. Can see everybody? Yes. What I'll do, see how the water is now, and what I'll do, see, I'll pour this salt. What we can see in this salt? We can see few observations, right? See salt how it's melting, right? Yes, we'll see this after few minutes. Okay, I'll keep here itself. We'll see after few minutes what it will happens. Okay, yes, now we'll see when a change can be undone. Yes, actually what happened when a change can be undone? For example, freeze water to ice and melt it back again to water and dissolve the salt in water, then separate the solution to get back the salt in water. It is known as reversible. See, actually what happened? What I did now, I poured water in water salt, right? Actually what that observation we can see, the sugar is melting, right? See how the sugar is melting. Can see everybody? Yes, the sugar is melting in the salt is melting in this, right? Now we can separate the salt from this water. We can separate? No, we can't separate because it is reversible. Actually what? It is reversible. We can't separate salt from the water. Okay, next, same you should see for sugar is also can be melt. So this will be your homework, students. I showed already salt can dissolve in water. Yes, so what I'll do, I'll write here. So you should see those all and you have to fill those box. Okay, here already 6 boxes I already wrote here. What you have to do? Dash. If it is dissolves, you have to write here. If it does not dissolve, you have to write here. Clear? Okay, next we'll see. And make it is a small quantity of the thing that writing observation. You leave this observation, don't go through this. We'll see it later. Okay, now we got to know what is reversible. What is reversible? It is nothing but, one more example if I take a ice, water of ice cubes, okay, and you keep for 20 to 30 minutes aside. What it will happen? It is converted into liquid. Then what you will do, you pour. Now I poured of some half spoon of salt, right? You pour that half tablespoon water to that melting ice cube water. After what we can see? We can see same like this format, right? Yes, the salt already, it can be, yes, it can be dissolved in water. Again, after what you pour in same ice cube pan and you keep in freezer. Now we can separate that water and salt. No, we can't, because it already dissolved, right? Yes, it is known as reversible change. What we can see? Reversible change. Okay, now when a new product is formed with the different properties, burning paper to the ash, the change is an irreversible change. Yes, now see what we observed. Now in one glass of water we poured one spoon of sugar. What we can see? It dissolves and it looks like same water, right? But if there is a one paper, if we burn that paper, what we can see? It all like black ash, the paper will be burned, right? Burn, we can see the format of ash. That ash we can convert to paper? No, we can't convert, right? So it is nothing but irreversible change. You got to know what is the difference between reversible and irreversible. Reversible is nothing but, in water, if you put half tablespoon of salt, it looks like it will dissolve. It won't change color, anything it won't change, okay? But in irreversible, what it will happen? If take as a one paper piece and if you burn, it will change the color, and it will also converted into ash. So in that case is known as irreversible change. Clear? Clear? Yes. What all we studied now? Reversible and irreversible, right? Yes. Now we'll see the observation of change in the level of water when the salt is mixed in it. Yes, we already know. One glass of water, make a 2 tablespoon of salt, and take a glass of water and mark a water level using the marker, and add 2 tablespoon of water in and stir it well. Now observe carefully whether the water level has changed or not. No, it doesn't change, because if we pour, now only I shown an example, if we pour half tablespoon of salt, only it will dissolve with water, that's it. It doesn't change any yes, anything. See, here is the answer. You should copy paste here. The volume did not go up because the molecules of the salt does not take up extra space. It occupy the empty space that present between the molecules of water. Yes, actually what I told, in one glass of water, what are the molecules are present, only it will absorb it. It won't change any, it won't change, or it won't be more of water, okay? It will be at same quantity, but what it will happen, it will dissolve with the water molecules, okay? Yes, what are we studied now? We studied about reversible, irreversible, and few observations. See, you should copy paste here, okay? Clear? Yes. Now we'll see about this solution at next class. Okay. Anyway, students, bye. Meet you at next class.